All right, guys. First break of the night is going to be our last big box break. So it is break number 8 from Series 5 Hit Parade. We pulled some nasty stuff out of here over these especially these last few. But we're still looking for that Saquon. We're still looking for, I think there's a Jacob deGrom autographed pitching rubber. So there's all kinds of stuff that we can still find in there. So every spot gives you 2 random last name letters. So each box has got 5 to 7 autographed memorabilia items in it. And hopefully we can pull some nasty stuff out of here. All right, so I've got Doug with 7 spots in this, Brian W. with 2, and then Harlan, you've got 1 spot. So that's the breakdown on this. So let's go ahead and randomize the last name letters. So we'll mix this up 5 times. You guys let me know if the stream looks slow or you guys have any issues on your end. Got a new program I got to get used to tonight. All right, let's go ahead and randomize the guys that are in this. So let's mix this up 5 times as well. All right, it's going to all come down to this random. All right, so here we go. So Brian, you've got last name letters T, B, Y, and E. Doug, you've got A, G, R, N, P, C, H, V, K, M, S, D, W, and J. And then Harlan, you've got L and F. All right, so there's your rundown. So Brian, we pull that Saquon, man. That's coming your way. So let's see if we can do it. All right, here we go. So this is going to be box number 1. So very last one, they sent us number 1 on here. So it's all sealed up. Everything's looking pretty strong on this one. Everything's sealed. Real Detective, what's going on, man? Yeah, we'll do the Clearly Authentic here in just a few minutes. So we got a little bit of a delayed start tonight. So we got some other breaks that we're going to do first. But it'll probably be, I'd say probably 45 minutes or so. Maybe not that long. All right, let's try a picture first. JSA certified. Oh, this is going to be a cool one. How about a sweet Dirk Nowitzki holding a couple NBA championships. Cool blue pen auto there. Yeah, man, we'll get to it here in just a little bit. So hopefully fairly quickly we can get caught up. So that's going to be last name N on that. And that's going to be Doug. Didn't take long to get Doug on the board. Alright, got a full-size helmet here. Ooh, who is this? Oh, dude, this is cool, man. My son's going to flip out on this. I think that's a Sony Michel. Georgia helmet, JSA certified. It is. Nice Sony Michel. So last name M on that is going to be going to Doug. So Doug, if you're interested in trading that, let me know. I know my boys would love to have that. Alright, looks like we got a signed cleat. Any guesses on that auto? Alright, it's a cool one. Just had a pretty big game for the Packers. See if I can get that. See right there at the top, it's going to be a Devontae Adams. So Green Bay Packer cleat. So that's going to be last name A, which will be Doug. So Beckett certified. See if that Saquon's down in here. All right, here we go. We got the new New York Mets manager. We have Carlos Beltran. Which, this looks like a Dodgers. I didn't even know he played for the Dodgers. Maybe that's Kansas City. He definitely played for him. JSA certified. Alright, you stupid. Can't get my computer to work, can't get my camera to work. I swear that stupid thing says Carlos Beltran. Let's try this one. There you go. So last name B. I think Brian finally got you on the board, man. All right, and we got last one here. All right, we got a hockey jersey. Last name P on this one, which is going to be going to Doug. It is AJ Sports World certified. It is a Corey Perry. So Corey Perry on that. Doug had 7 of them, so he was sitting pretty. I think he got 4 out of the 5 items, or however many there were. All right, so that'll do it for Big Box. So we'll get those items in the mail to you guys tomorrow. And appreciate you guys joining us on this break.